Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking about prom production. It's such a busy time, but a little bit of planning ahead can make it so much better. First, as soon as you get an order, take all of the materials and put them in a bag. Label it. Maybe it's order number 783 and it belongs to Mary. Then, when it's time, go ahead and open it. Pull out all the pieces. There's her jewels, her leaves, the band, and the bow, all ready, so that all you need to do then is assemble. I know that sounds simple, right? But if everything is pre-sorted and planned, then when it comes time, you can just clip it down, start gluing it in, and do it production line. So maybe you have 6 bags ready to go, and you're just going to go ahead and glue them in so that you're not doing everything, pulling and hunting and trying to find where are the treasures. You've got them all right with you. You can just glue it in place. The bow's already made. You don't have to think. The jewels, clip them down, place them. Now, added bonus tip. If you do a lot with jewels and permanent leaves, you can do this all ahead of time as well. So then, when it comes time to actually get ready for the prom, this would be coming out of the bag, already assembled, and all you do is reach over, grab your spray roses, and glue them in place. Now you know how to be fast and efficient at prom time.